What are you sitting here for? Huh? What am I sitting here for? Why are you staring at my bro? No, not that ha ha ha. You really can't tell why I'm sitting here. There's a dog behind you. That dog's dark eye circles look just like yours. Oh my god, ha ha ha, oh my god. Not much difference at all, ha ha ha. Oh dear, autumn's here. It's the season when dogs start to... Wait, the season when dogs start dating again. Then of course, I've got to join the fun. Yeah, I've got to get involved too. Honestly, if I don't howl twice a day, I just feel restless all over. For real, ha ha ha. Alright, enough nonsense. Open your throat, let's go. Hey ha 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 ha. You've got such a tiny bit of courage. Oh my goodness. Ha 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 ha. That dog's scared out of its mind. Ha ha ha, come behind the little scooter.
Huh?